Good day everyone, my name is Reena Effiom-Success and I'll be talking about modeling. First things first, what is modeling? Modeling is a profession influenced by the physical characteristics and personal qualities of a person. Who is a model? A model is a person who promotes, displays, or advertises commercial products, or a visual aid for people who are creating works of art or to pose for photography. There are 9 types of modeling: fashion editorial modeling, runway modeling, commercial modeling, fitness modeling, part modeling, fit modeling, promotional modeling, glamour modeling, and print modeling. Types of models. Fashion editorial models. These models are the faces you see in high fashion magazines such as Vogue and Elle magazines. Runway models. These models are found on the catwalk stage. They are hired to showcase a designer's clothing line. Commercial models. Commercial models are not restricted by age, height, or size. These models advertise a wide range of products in catalogs, campaigns, and commercials. Fitness models. You have to be fit to be a fitness model. They mostly advertise fitness attire like gym clothes and sports shoes. Part models. These models specialize in modeling hand, arms, feet, or legs. Hand or arm models are booked to model things like jewelry, and feet or leg models get the jobs to model for shoe companies. Fit models. These models work behind the scenes and they help the fashion designers to make sure the clothes fit the runway models when they come for their fitting. Promotional models. These models are booked to promote some certain products. You find such models in trade shows. Glamour models. This modeling is centered on the appearance, including face or body shape. They are mostly booked to showcase swimsuits. Print models. These models are used for billboards, booklets, flyers, or posters. They usually have clear skin and a nice smile.